Welcome to another episode of Matrix Simplification. Stay tuned and understand. We are given that matrix P is a 2 by 2 matrix of 2 minus 1 minus 3 3, and I is a 2 by 2 identity matrix. We are told to find P plus 2I. First thing first, the matrix we are told to find P plus 2I. And that will be the same thing as matrix P is the 2 by 2 matrix of what? 2 minus 1 minus 3, 3. This is matrix P plus 2 of the identity matrix. Remember when I explained identity matrix, I said that the diagonal of identity matrix is 1 and all the entries of the numbers are what? 0. So we are having the identity matrix of 2 by 2 matrix, put the diagonals to be 1, 0, and 0. So this is an identity matrix of 2 by 2 matrix. So that will show you that we are having it to be a matrix of 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 3. Then plus, for us to multiply a matrix, we are going to use the number 2 to multiply all the entries in the matrix. So we'll be having it to be a matrix of 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2. Remember, we are going to add these two matrices. The condition to add 2 by 2 matrices together is that they are going to have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. We have 1, 2 rows, 1, 2 columns, 1, 2 rows, 1, 2 columns. So we can add the two matrices together. So to add them, all we are going to do is that we are going to add the elements in the same entries. Okay? That's first row, first column should be added to first row, first column of the corresponding matrix. So when you add that, what do you have? You have 2 plus 2. You have minus 1 plus 0. You have 0 minus 3 plus 0. You have 3 plus 2. What matrix is formed? We'll be having a 2 by 2 matrix of 2 plus 2 is 4, right? You have 4. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Then minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So the resulting solution is another 2 by 2 matrix of 4 minus 1 minus 3, 5. Okay? Let's look at the next question on our screen. List. We are given that P is a 2 by 2 matrix of 2 minus 1. Here is the second question on our list. We are given a matrix P to be a matrix of 2, 1, 5 minus 3, and another matrix Q to be a matrix of 4 minus 8, 1 minus 2. We are told to find 2P minus Q. To do that, we'll first of all write solution. Okay? So for us to find the matrix 2P minus Q, it is very simple. That means 2 will multiply matrix P, which is 2, 1, 5 minus 3. We have it as 2, 1, 5 minus 3. Then we are going to subtract another matrix Q, which is a matrix of 4 minus 8, 1 minus 2. Okay? So to multiply matrix, we are going to use the number 2 to multiply all the entries of the matrix. So we are using 2 to multiply everything in the matrix. So the new matrix formed will be a matrix of 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Then minus another matrix of 4 minus 8, 1 minus 2. Okay? So if you do the subtraction now, the matrix form will be a matrix of, we are going to subtract, so in subtraction of 2 by 2 matrix or in subtraction of matrix, we are going to subtract the elements of same entries between the two matrices we are looking at. So we are going to do what? 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 2 minus minus 8, 2 minus minus 8, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, minus 6 minus 2. You have minus 6 minus minus 2. So let's simplify and know the new matrix form. Due to space, let's put the answer at the top here. Okay? So 4 minus 4 is 0, 0. 2 minus minus 8 is 2, minus minus is plus, 2 plus 8, which is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Minus 6 minus minus 2 is minus minus is plus, minus 6 plus 2, which is what? Minus 4. So this is the answer to this particular matrix on the board. Do well to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maths with Esomnofu, so that you are going to get an exciting maths tutorials just like this. The matrix question we have on the board. This time we are looking at 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so we have matrix P to be a matrix of 301, 243, 500, and another matrix, matrix Q, to be a matrix of 231, 512, 342. The question requires us to find a matrix of 2P minus Q. That means you are going to multiply matrix P by 2, then subtract the corresponding matrix Q. Okay? To do that is very easy. So we are having 2 into matrix P is a 3 by 3 matrix because 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So the matrix is 301, 243, 500. This is matrix P. Okay? Minus matrix Q is a matrix of 231, 512, 342. Okay? So first thing we have to do before we subtract is to multiply matrix P by 2. And to multiply a matrix by a scalar multiplication, we are going to use the number to multiply all the elements or all the entries in the matrix. So that will give us a matrix of 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 0 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 0 is 0. This is the matrix minus another matrix, which is the matrix Q now, which is a matrix of 231, 512, and 342. This is the matrix. So in subtraction of matrix, what do we have? We are going to subtract each element with their corresponding positions in the matrix. So we are going to have a matrix of 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4, and 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2. So now let's look at the resultant solution to this. We will have a matrix of 6 minus 2 is 4, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 5, okay, we've gone through this. 10 minus 3 is 7, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So this is the resultant solution of these two matrices. When we try to do P plus 2P plus what? Q. Okay? That's the answer. Do well to like, share, Comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified anytime a new video is uploaded. See you next time.